Why is boredom essential for creativity? Boredom isn't a problem, it's a portal. Boredom, it's something we all try to avoid. But what if boredom isn't a flaw in our system? What if it's a built-in feature of the brain that leads to our greatest insights? According to Dr. Andrew Huberman, boredom isn't just a lack of stimulation, it's a signal, a biological cue that the current task holds no novelty and your brain is ready for something deeper. Instead of escaping it, what if we sat with it? Not just to endure it, but to unlock its power. Rich mind and heart, the ancient wisdom combined with science. Discover how small intentional shifts can rewire your brain, strengthen your body, and ignite your spirit. Each video shows you how to unlock the full power of your biology, energy, and soul. We don't ask for donations, but please tap like and hit subscribe. Your engagement is all we need. Please take a deep breath and start your transformation. What is boredom, and why does the brain create it? Boredom arises when dopamine levels dip below a certain baseline. Dopamine is the brain's motivation molecule. It spikes when we anticipate novelty or reward. But when there's no stimulation, dopamine declines and we feel bored. But this dip serves a purpose. As Dr. Huberman notes, it nudges the brain to reorient attention inward, encouraging exploration of memory, imagination, and internal problem solving. It's not your brain shutting down. It's your brain opening up. The default mode network, the brain's creative engine. When you're bored and not engaged in a specific task, your brain activates what neuroscientists call the default mode network, DMN. Huberman and others describe the DMN as the state of mental wandering, when we daydream, replay past events, or simulate future scenarios. This network is linked to imagination, self-reflection, creative insight, moral reasoning. So when you're doing nothing, your brain is actually connecting dots between ideas that didn't seem related before. From stillness to breakthrough, how ideas emerge. Without constant input, the brain enters what Dr. Huberman calls neural consolidation. This is when it reviews past information, distills meaning, and reorganizes memories. Exactly the process required for innovation. Einstein used boredom as a tool. He called his imagination more important than knowledge, and often came up with solutions while staring out a window. Modern neuroscience confirms idle mind equals creative mind. It's not the silence that sparks ideas, it's what the brain does within it. The cost of constant stimulation. In today's world, we fill every gap with content. Social media, podcasts, news, emails. But this flood of stimulation keeps the brain in task mode, shutting down the default mode network. And when that shuts down, so does your access to spontaneous creativity. Huberman emphasizes that intermittent silence, distraction-free time, and low-stimulation environments are vital for cognitive reset. No pause equals no integration. And without integration, creativity dries up. Boredom builds emotional resilience. Boredom also trains your mind to tolerate discomfort without escape. This builds what psychologists call emotional regulation and psychological flexibility, essential for deep focus and complex problem solving. Huberman often reminds us the brain adapts not just to pleasure, but to controlled discomfort. Sitting with boredom is like lifting mental weights. You're strengthening your capacity to think deeply, wait patiently, and resist distraction. Don't run from boredom, listen to it. Boredom isn't a sign of weakness. It's a biological invitation to grow, reflect, and create. So next time you feel it creeping in, don't reach for your phone. Let your mind wander. Let your subconscious speak. Your next big idea might be waiting in the quiet. Don't stop here. There's more waiting for you. More space, more insights, more truths ready to meet you, exactly where you are now. Take a step into the next episode. Maybe it holds the answer you've been seeking, or the question that could change everything. See you soon on the next step of your journey. Rich mind and heart.